Kwa ihinda iraya arimi a macandamia guku bururi-ini makoretwo magitangika moko-ini ma turianime na broker makoretwo makimagurira macandamia na thogora wa thii, na niguo kuhurana na turianime tutu kuumana, Minista wa Urimi Kagwe ni arutire watho wa kugiririria macandamia kwendio nja wa bururi matari makonyore, indi gukoretwo na ndeto ati watho uyu waiya kuhinyiriria arimi. Ngwataniro ya athii ya macandamia hamwe na arimi ni meyumiritie makiuga watho uyu ni uguteithiriria kuongerera arimi mbeca mihuko-ini yao. Muikariri giti wa ngwataniro eno Jane Maigua augite watho uyu warutithio wira uria kwagiriire, gutire murimi uria mukagira thi wa ciringi 100 hari kiro ya macandamia. Kwirikanite ati broker nio makoretwo makihurana na watho uyu niguo mathie na mbere na kuhinyiriria arimi.
Macadamia is very rewarding. Macadamia has a global market. The main market is United States of America and countries of Europe. European Union has 27 countries, as well as Asian market and the Middle East. So we see a huge potential of growth in the markets, and this is the value we want to ensure is transferring to the farmers directly.
Francis Kipsang uria ni murimi wa macandamia augite watho uyu ni wa kugacirithia sekta ino guku akiuria arimi kunyitana na matigetikire kwendia macandamia matakinyitie ihinda ria kugethwo.
As farmers, we want to thank the government of Kenya led by our CS Kagwe for the good work he has done, making some reforms and assuring the farmer that the minimum guarantee price of not less than 100 shillings.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, Minista wa Urimi uria niwe muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya minista kaunti-ini 47 augite watho uyu wa kwaga kwendia macandamia matari makonyore wagiriire guthingatithio ni thirikari cia kaunti na iria nene.
For some time we have had some outcry in the sector, primarily because of two things. Number one is because as per the law, the enforcement of the ban of export of raw macadamia is now in place. You remember that we have had some extensions that have been given by CSs, but this time, beginning December, the ban on exporting raw macadamia is firmly in place. And number two, you would be aware that we have also had some harvest ban that have been running up until sometimes last week when the CS opened it up.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wira.